You can have the best visuals in the world, but if your audio sounds like this, even an expensive microphone cannot fix it. What if I told you all the noise in this audio can be removed by using a single app? Stay till the very end for a bonus tip. Let's get on with the video. So the app that we'll be using for today's audio recording is called as Dolby On. It's a completely free app available both in Google Play Store and iOS App Store. I have already downloaded and installed the app from Google Play Store. I will open it. So I recommend enabling a couple of settings before we get on with the audio recording. So I recommend enabling the countdown option. Countdown will be useful whenever you're recording audio for YouTube Shorts or Reels, as it will help you prepare before the actual audio recording starts. And I will also recommend enable keeping the lossless audio option as enabled if audio files is not a concern for you. And other than that, so if you are frequently using this app to export audio and video files, then you can choose default locations that will come up when you export the audio once you have recorded the files within the app. So other than that, there are a couple of options to share the audio to different platforms. So I'll go back to the original. So here, once you click on the mic button, the audio recording will start from a countdown and the recording will start. I've already recorded a sample audio file, so I'll click on it. So here there are a couple of optimization or modification options for the audio or video that you have recorded. You can first go through and choose the different styles that are available based on your preference. You can either increase the noise reduction or reduce it based on the background noise in the audio that you have recorded. You can also modify the treble, mids and bass. This is specifically useful for the music recordings if you do any. Other than that, you can boost your audio recording by using this option. So this option, it will increase your audio volume basically. So other than that, there are options to trim the audio based on the timestamps. If you want only this particular audio start here and end here, you can select that and click on the check mark button to use the track. So once you're done with all the optimization and modifications, you can click on done. So finally the audio track will be here, but this does not mean the audio track is already there in your device. For that, you have to export it. You need to click on the share button, and if you want to share it directly to Instagram, you can use it, click on it. If not, I recommend using the export lossless option because we have enabled the lossless audio option. I recommend using it. So other than that, if you have recorded a video, you can again use the save video option to export the video as well. So here, if we click on export losses, it will export the audio file and you can choose the different options that are available for the specific audio recording to be shared or copied. Now on to the bonus tips. The first tip would be to identify the microphone in your mobile device. It can be available at different places for different models. So the best bet is to have a look at the manufacturer's spec sheet to identify where exactly the microphone is located. And the second tip would be to hold the device not too close, not too far, at approximately 15 to 30 centimeters away, and speak into the microphone for the best audio quality. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any queries in the comments and subscribe to TechHotTips channel.